Today, I want to invite you to my State of the Market coming up at the end of January. Now, let me tell you why it's so important for you to really, especially this year, you gotta know what's happening in the market. There are changes that are coming in the market. There are trends that have happened because of what's happened with COVID. Not just that, this year's market is gonna be very different. You need to understand what those changes are, what those problems are, what the challenges are. How will forbearance paybacks, how is that going to affect your clients? How is this lack of inventory going to affect your clients? What about new construction? What about the upcoming laws and changes to our building codes and our permits and everything that's happening out there? The State of the Market isn't just a day for you to find out about, oh, what's going on in real estate. It's a day for you to learn how to take this information, make it really valid for your buyers out there and your sellers out there. Some other things that are really going to be discussed and important at this year's State of the Market is how COVID has impacted and changed our urban and suburban markets forever. We are not in the market we were last year, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. Our market has changed forever. Also, there are some local, regional, national issues that will impact your buyers and sellers this upcoming year. So I highly encourage you, please come to the State of the Market and come with a really open mind, because this year, and I've been doing State of the Market for many years, this year is going to really be enlightening. So I welcome you, I invite you, please come along.